trotzdem mal ganz kurz wieder alles übernehmen. Damit ich einfach sehe. Tales from the Borderlands nehmen. So. Fertig Dead by Daylight, ja, für heute schon. Nice, okay. Also ich weiß gar nicht, wieso es die nächste Episode sind. Machen wir mal das da.
Yes, it's been a while. Everyone knows.
Geht's danach?
Where was I? Ah, yes. Two unlikely versions of one impossible story. The Hyperion salaryman who stumbled across the perfect plan to defeat his rival.
But bad things can happen when you swim against fate.
Hijacking the secret purchase of the ultimate prize, a vault key. Finding co-conspirators was easy. Finding real vault keys never is. Then there's the Pandoran hustler who conspired to sell a fake vault key. But unfortunately, plans don't often go, as planned. A bullet saved is a bullet earned. And now they were stuck with each other,
team, sir.
with nothing to gamble but their lives. So, they prepared to face psychos, warlords, even vault hunters. But betrayal, no one is prepared for betrayal. She knew what would happen,
Choke on it.
and she'll let
Yep.
The money was gone, but the path to a vault key was right under their feet. Below the arena, they found the Gortys Project, Atlas's crown jewel, along with a lost king, looking to regain his throne.
Handsome Jack. Kommt wieder.
Oh, I'm up.
Hey!
I'm up.
Seriously, can you use your words? You're just wasting bullets with that thing.
Yeah, okay.
Ah, come on, you drooled on me!
Huh? Oh, yeah, that's a... Wow, that's a lot. I am feeling a little dehydrated. God, what is wrong with you?
There, now we're even.
You are a monster.
Stop. I'm gonna let you out of those restraints. Don't make me regret it, because you'll regret it much more.
Sure, yeah, okay.
Yeah, that works for me.
Let's do that.
We've got a long way to go. We should move before the sun's up.
Can I please hit him once? Just to get it out of my system.
You gotta work on your anger management. All this animosity is not good for...
Just one.
Hey, strike, we got.
Okay, I'm good.
You punched me in the neck.
Let's go. Now, where were we?
Well,
Whoa, hey.
what is it?
E-Guides grad UF mit Dr. Moose blieb so wie Bisch. Hoffentlich nur lang die Hypatie vertrete ich vor Schwyz zu F Twitch.
Buddy?
Oh shit.
You alright?
Does this mean you're happy?
Sorry, ich
I
habe gerade
think
da meine
that's
Entscheidung
it.
noch Trophäe, es kommt alles auf schnell. Danke vielmals für
He's all right.
die Donation. Ich muss nachher nochmal genau nachschauen, was gestanden ist.
So, upstairs.
Die Frau kann ja
where there's
einfach nicht
more
Sachen
air,
aussprechen.
'cause it's higher and hey, what's up with that map?
Computer enhance.
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 Enhance!
Enhance computer images.
Stop it! This is not how computers work. Where are you from? You don't just yell enhance at the screen.
Maybe I can bring up a legend on this thing.
Ich bin schönen Abend.
I'm okay.
Did you break it? Ah!
Go ahead, Fiona. Pick it up. Hey, Fee, trust me. You don't want to touch that.
I don't understand.
You and Reese are the only ones it didn't shock. Maybe they're somehow imprinted on you.
Vintage Atlas. Incredible!
Retinal scanner online. Security protocol engaged. Retinal scan required. Please step forward and identify yourself.
Maybe we should get out while we have the chance.
That map could lead us to a vault. We're not leaving until we know exactly where it's telling us to go.
Please step forward and identify yourself.
Okay. Das ist nichts Spezielles. Was ist das? Da können wir wahrscheinlich auch nicht machen.
There's someone in there.
What do you mean someone? Who is it? Are they alive?
No idea who it is, but they are very much not alive.
Sieht eher am Leben aus, aber... Okay, schauen wir mal. Wir gehen rüber und dann uns identifizieren.
Retinal scan failed. Employee not recognized. Alerting general
Es muss sicher
policy.
eher
Oh,
angehen.
craps. That's probably not.
Wait, you hear that?
Nope, I don't hear anything. Ignore it.
I don't know. The computer said it was gonna contact some general. You know, 2 + 2.
Hey Schmidi. Das ist fast befremdend. Hey Maestro. Maestro? Genau. Fugu. Willkommen. Okay, wir müssen jetzt ein bisschen umschauen. Irgendetwas ist da falsch am Laufen. Ja, wir können da gar nicht durch. Gut. Das finde ich ein bisschen komisch gemacht am Telltale Game. Ich habe ja noch vorher noch nie eins gespielt von dem. Aber... Ah, das da ist jetzt am Piepsen. Aber es ist teilweise nicht so schön zum Rumlaufen, finde ich. Fizzo, hey! Nice. Dann wir drücken.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought I was gonna see.
Well, now all we have to do is get his eye to that retinal scanner.
Well, maybe we can just scoot him over to the computer.
Okay. Er ist schwer, hä? Ja, seine Beine. Reiss ihn doch raus.
Well, that's not gonna work.
He's wedged in there pretty
Danke vielmals für
tight.
die Follow. Sie könnten einfach seinen Kopf
Now
abschneiden.
what?
Well, it's a retina scanner, right? We don't actually need all of him for that.
Yeah. Schneid ihm den Kopf ab. Was? Geld?
Ooh,
Ja.
not that much. Now you'd think a general would have more walking around money on him.
Ich glaube, genug ist schon. Also, das ist mehr als genug.
Look at his uniform. Atlas military, high ranking at that.
Also, dann mal die Augen reissen.
His eyes are pretty creepy.
Ja, voll.
You're basically doing him a favor.
I'm not sure he would agree.
Also, nehmen wir es raus.
If you try to rip it out with your bare hand, you'll just end up squishing it.
If you have a better idea.
Any
Schließ
other
doch
idea would
einfach
be a
den
better
Kopf ab.
idea.
Ugh, that guy's got some creepy eyes. I don't like him.
Gell,
Follow you
abschneiden.
around the room, don't they?
Ich würde eben auch sagen. Einfach mal abschneiden. Wenn wir da hinten durch... Nein. Können wir mal schauen, was es sonst noch so hat.
Guess I should have known it'd go like this.
Ja, ciao. Genau, da. Wir nehmen den Löffel. Oh, wir nehmen den Löffel. Oh, so viel Liebe.
Oh, hey, it's a spoon and a fork. Ha! How about that? Oh, wait, that's not.
Yep. The eye's gotta come out one way or another.
Gut, gehen wir.
Okay, this is... Okay,
Yeah, you gotta do it.
I gotta do it. I gotta do it, so I just...
Just shove that into his face.
Why do you have to say it like that?
I'm just saying.
Just do it already?
Okay! Mm. Why did that just happen?
Oh man, you split the eye right in half. All the juice from the thing is...
Ugh, why are you describing it to me? I know. I did it.
Right, sorry. Look, all I'm saying is, you got one more shot.
Right, because he's got two eyes. One eye now.
You've got a knack for numbers, don't you?
Ja, ich
I'll
mache
just
manchmal
wait
komische
over
Gesichter.
there.
Oh, man.
Here we go.
Right, so far so good.
Sieht nicht so
Stop
gut
talking to
aus.
me.
Aha.
Ooh, I can't tell if that's looking better or looking worse.
It's looking way worse. Trust me.
If you're gonna puke, do it on the floor, please. This is me helping.
Oder hilft sie?
Ooh, you almost got it. Just cut the thing. Holding it to the thing. Whoa! Look
I got it. I got it.
What a knapp gewesen.
Thank you.
Hey, and you didn't crush it. I totally would have crushed it.
Let's just get this thing over to the scanner.
Okay, wir haben es auch. Puh. Was können wir da noch machen? Ah, ja, man sieht es grusig auch. Gut, gehen wir rüber. Der Job wird da gemacht. Schön hat sie es rausgebracht.
Message 1. Athena. Gortys facility. Oldhaven.
Hello, Pollux. Too bad I missed you in Oldhaven. As you've no doubt surmised, the Gortys project has been terminated. And now that you have no soldiers under your command, I regret to inform you that you've been relieved of your duties. I'll come by soon to ease your transition into retirement.
What's Oldhaven?
It's an Atlas mining town. It's been abandoned for years.
Which makes it the perfect place to hide a Gortys project. Whatever that is.
Yeah.
Message 2. General Pollux. Memorandum.
If you're watching this, then I'm already in suspended animation. You must understand, Athena was trying to kill me, and what I possess is far too powerful to end up in the arsenal of a ruthless mercenary. If Athena is no longer a threat, please activate the revival protocol in my stasis dock. My life and quite possibly the fate of the universe is in your hands.
Und dann ist er einfach.
Oh no. Does that mean he was... Oh, when you scooped... Oh...
No way. No. No, he had to be dead when we...
Don't. Just...
Shit. Oh, ich hab's gedacht, er lebt noch. Ja.
So, I guess we're going to Old Haven.
Reese, you want to take a look?
Yes, well, Damon.
Oh, ouch.
Jetzt macht er dann auf, ist gar nicht so falsch gewesen, hä?
Quit messing around and get down here.
Sure thing.
Wait, what?
I didn't hit my head.
What are you talking about? I saw you hit that girder.
No. I hit my head on that, but I didn't hit my head when I fell into the computers. And obviously there wasn't a geyser of blood.
There was quite a bit of blood.
This is all fascinating, very thorough. But what about Jack?
Oh, right. Jack.
Handsome Jack.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Gortys Project. And it's gonna lead us to a vault. And then I'll probably kill you.
What?
Okay, here's what's gonna happen. You, I'm sorry, what's your name again? Come on, spit it out, dum-dum. I don't have all day. Oh, good. You work for me. I thought I was gonna have to get violent there for a second. Or more violent.
Jack. In front of me.
Come on, time's a waste. Turrets, no automated defenses. It's like Atlas is just begging us to take it. Come on, Cupcake, what's the holdup? Get over here! Yeah, I know, I'm your hero, you're my biggest fan, blah, blah, blah. Welcome to the club. Just try and fight yourself, kid. You might short something out, tell me. Alright, take notes, kiddo. I'm not one to repeat myself. Our first step is secure the area. Not enough to attract bandits, just enough to keep out the gawkers. Oh, then we're gonna need a drop ship to get this tech out of here.
Jack, what? No, this is impossible. Jack, you're dead.
I'm dead? I'm sorry, what's that supposed to mean? Are you threatening me, little man?
What? No.
Why did that just happen?
Oh, shut up. Are you screaming because you're in pain, or are you just freaking out because this is really weird? Because it is weird.
Would you please stop doing that?
Er weiß doch selber nicht, dass er tot ist.
Doesn't make any sense. Stand still, damn it.
Stop doing that! It's like I told you. Handsome Jack is dead.
No. That's impossible. I can't die. No, that's stupid. No way.
Oof. Never had to tell someone they died before, so... sorry? That must suck.
Heroes don't die.
Danke, Skip.
Especially not before the story
Schönen
gets to the
Abend,
good
Info.
part. This doesn't make any sense. No. I'm Handsome Jack. I don't die. There's too much left to do. I'm not happening. Not happening. Come here, Cupcake. Just let me try to rip your throat out one more time. Just one more time. Come here.
What? No!
You see, I think I just gotta be quicker about it. That's what it is.
I'm not afraid of you. Anymore.
Really? Then why are you backing up, tough guy? Where are you going? You're so stupid. What's your head doing, mate?
Quit messing around and get down here.
Reese! So much pain. Why am I still conscious? I don't understand.
Reese, hey. You alright? What the hell are you doing? You're acting strange. Is everything okay?
I lost my balance.
Yeah, no shit.
I just lost my balance. Off of the thing.
Right. Okay. Well, you had quite a spill there. Let's just get you up off this thing. Here you go. You know, these fumes can't possibly be helping.
Oh, I must be pretty out of it. I'm seeing stars. Shooting stars.
Moonshots. Moonshots? Really? Moonshots?
We need to get out of here! The Loaderbot! Loaderbot, hey!
Oh, I see. Now you need me.
Er hasst mich also immer noch. Er hasst mich sowas von.
Okay! Okay.
Ich hätte ihn mal nicht sollen sterben lassen.
Get in! We gotta go! Why is Hyperion trying to kill us? Don't you work for those guys?
Yeah, I'll file a complaint with HR when we get back. But we have to not die right now!
We used up our boost getting out of there!
How long till it recharges?
A few minutes at least.
Ram pam pam.
Give me the wheel.
What? Why? I'm not hearing a good reason. That's what I thought.
Trust me, I'm a good driver.
Not better than me.
No, he's right! He's got Echo Eye! He can actually see where the moonshots are gonna land!
If you want to live, give me the wheel.
Then what? We'll go to Hollow Point. They can't track us there. You
Ja.
better know what you're doing.
Oh ja, okay, jetzt müssen wir.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Just keep us alive until that thing is full and then we can boost out of here. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Ja genau, ich will das gleiche machen. Oh, okay.
Where the hell did they come from?
Not cool.
Ciao.
I can't see! I believe I'm saying this. Fiona, help!
Fiona!
Ich hab's verpasst. Ah nein, ich hab's.
Hey,
Boah.
what are you guys doing?
What's it look like?
Okay.
Incoming!
My arm! I'm bleeding!
Oh nice. Oh nein.
Rack hive! It's a rack hive!
This is not awesome! Yeah! Reese! No! Oh, that's bad. That's very bad! We're gonna die!
Help me cover the back!
Der andere kommt schon klar vorne.
Oh my god! Nice shooting, Sash!
Son of a bitch!
Freeze!
Oh mein Gott.
Take my hand! Come on! Come on, Fiona! I'm trying! You're almost there! You can do it!
Ba, 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 ba.
Fiona!
Yeah.
That was close! You okay? It's not gonna stop!
Reese, talk to me!
Okay.
Hang on!
Nice! Oh.
Yes!
Whoa, whoa, hey, watch it!
Ah! Just when I think I can't hate this thing anymore!
We can't stop it! Not with these guns!
Charge.
Hold on to your butts. Come on.
What are you doing?
Come on!
M.
Hang on!
Nee. Oh shit, that's im Ernst. Oh fuck it. Nein. Ciao. Hey Godzilla. Sind sie jetzt nur das zweite?
The list of things that might kill us keeps getting longer. I hadn't even thought about moonshots. Brax, skags, bandits, dehydration, heat stroke, regular stroke, stroke, whatever that is, that murder pile. The list just keeps getting longer. I've never felt so alive! This is awesome! I can't imagine going back to financial reports. Ugh, boring!
Would you pipe down? You're giving me a headache.
I don't think that's me. Pretty sure it was all the rocks you were tumbling over when we flew out of the van.
Yeah, that probably contributed.
This is what I'm talking about! Mixing it up with Hyperion, teaming up with grifters? Come on, these are the types of stories we'll tell our children when we're millionaires! We just survived moonshots from Hyperion! Huh? Friggin' moonshots, man! I am not afraid anymore! You hear me, Hyperion? I am Vaughn, and I am not afraid!
What was
Yeah,
that?
what the hell was that?
Relax, it's a vet.
Oh, okay. I have to pee. And not because I was scared. I had to go anyway.
This is perfect timing.
Reese, you're alive. Thank God you guys are okay. I thought that was it for a second there. I am so relieved.
Oh, we're great. Vaughn is having the time of his life.
Tell her to send some supplies!
Yeah, don't talk to me while you're peeing. Thank you.
Sorry! Almost done!
Anyway, I got them to stop shooting, but I can't keep Vasquez from wanting to take you guys out. I'm doing what I can, but it's chaos up here. So I can't talk long.
We could use some wheels. Vasquez's car is long gone. Oh, and we're stranded out here in the desert.
Look, I'm able to track you, so stay safe for now. I'll send what I can.
Yes.
Cool.
Hopefully she can help us out. We can't be walking through the desert too long. I mean, not without water. To go through all this and die of dehydration would be pretty lame.
Vaughn? Did you get stung by bees?
What? Why? What's happening?
'Cause you're looking all swole.
Oh shit.
Swollen. Swole is
I
short for
don't-
swollen. You are weirdly buff, dude. That's what I'm... Never mind.
I put an exercise bike in my office a few months ago. Don't worry about it.
Right.
He is pretty young. I gotta say, I'm a little envious of the definition he's got going. Saving the world, it doesn't leave you much time for the gym.
Would you stop sneaking up on me?
Who's sneaking? I don't sneak.
Oh, so you've been here this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Reese, who are you talking to?
So he definitely can't see me, right?
You're kind of freaking me out, Reese. We're the only ones
Hey,
here.
Reese, buddy, there's no way this guy's gonna believe
You
it.
have been hitting your head a lot
I
lately.
mean, I barely believe this crap, and I'm in the middle
Is
of
this some
thing.
kind of post-concussion thing?
So, and I know this sounds nuts, but I'm talking to Handsome Jack. Yeah, he's in my head, or something. I can see him. He's standing right next to you, but you obviously can't see him.
Right. Right. So, handsome Jack is standing next to me.
Yes.
And I can't see him, but you're able to see him and also talk to him.
Correct.
He definitely thinks you're crazy. Who exactly is this little muscle-bound tool?
Ah, I'm just messing with you. Come on, really? Handsome Jack? What, you should have seen the look on your face. You were all like, what?
Huh. Okay, you almost got me.
I know. I know.
Oh
That
shit.
is a puzzling joke.
Oh shit. So dumm gsi. So dumm gsi.
Yeah, I don't know what state of being I'm in right now, but well, walking still sucks. What did I do to deserve this? Seriously. Don't look at me like that. Hey. Oh, you're ignoring me. That's what you're doing. Okay. Oh, come on!
So, what do you think of the girls? Hopefully they're all right.
Oh, I like them a lot. Oh, Reese, you're a hero! I'm just so excited to be on this adventure with you.
Hey, why are you looking down there?
Oh shit.
Having a tough time ignoring that, aren't ya? Do you get it? It's like his wiener's talking. Comedy gold.
You're creeping me out.
I can't handle it. Go on, tell him. You'll make his day.
Come on, Reese. Am I making you speechless?
All right, let's just forget about that you're looking down there for
Oh fuck.
It's probably for the best.
Oh man. We'll try to forget that. Oh shit.
It's about time.
Thank you.
Jack ist schon immer tief gesunken.
That makes two of us. Uh-oh. Incoming!
It's coming right for us.
Hey, I guess that tracker's working, huh, boys?
It's coming right for us!
Come to Papa!
Oh shit, was haben wir für geile vorher?
Nice sock.
Was macht er?
Fancy meeting you two here. Here I was, out for a nice drive, and I land right on just the guys I was looking for. Imagine that.
It's red, Hugo. I thought you wanted your car in black.
Ho ho ho. Let's see what you did there. That's funny. You steal my car, you make jokes about it. That's good, that's great stuff. Look, I know we had a deal. And while I don't like to go back on an agreement made man to man, the circumstances have changed.
Hey, that's right, we did have a deal! You convinced me to double-cross my best friend, and the day isn't even over before you're double-crossing me?
Oh, oh man, when you put it like that, it does sound awful.
What?
Should've known better than to trust a snake like you.
Oh, don't be like that, little guy. It's just the way of the, Listen, I'm gonna go see if I got a shirt in the trunk, because your body is making me uncomfortable. Hold tight, kids.
Look, I told him I would sell you out, but I swear I wasn't gonna do it. I was just saying whatever he wanted to hear just to keep that jerk off our backs. I wasn't gonna follow through with it. Please believe me. I swear, Reese. I would never.
It's cool.
Is it?
Sure.
I can't tell if...
What's that?
They're shovels, genius. You two freaks start digging. I want to see a decent grave going before too long. You heard me. Don't make me tell you again.
Let's work this out.
We're way past that.
You and me, we could partner up.
Partners, huh? Oh, who knew you had such a flair for comedy? You should take that act on the road. Oh, wait, no, you're gonna be dead in 5 minutes. What part of dig don't you understand? Let's get going, Mr. Universe.
Okay, just don't shoot.
There you go. A little hard work never killed anybody. I mean, you're gonna die. Yeah, sure.
To be fair, that was supposed to hit you. Wait. Wait! Ow.
Oh. Ah. Damn. Damn, that smarts. I think I did that wrong. You got a tough noggin. Looks so easy in the movies, but...
Amateur hour. You gotta aim for the bridge of the nose, dum-dum. How is it every time I show up, you idiots are in a worse situation?
You're not helping.
All right, fun's over. Looks like we'll be settling for the shallow variety of grave. Reese, you die first, and then he can load your body in the car. I'll bury Vaughn myself.
What?
Yeah, they want this idiot's body for something up there. Something, important floating around in his head. This is a prototype. The most advanced gun Hyperion has ever made.
Someone's overcompensating.
Was schlecht.
Any last words? Before the... What Inevitable.
2. Eat shit.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Well, that was 3 words, but I'll be sure to put 8 shit on your tombstone.
And I'd be more worried about my tombstone if you knew where the safety was.
You're hilarious. I'm gonna miss your... Gosh damn it.
Is there a problem?
I know how to shoot a gun. I just want to get the maximum damage out of this thing.
Okay, look. As much as I'd love to watch this idiot kill you 2 idiots, I can't let that happen. I'm inside of... I'm not inside you, but I'm like, look, if you go, I go. I've enhanced your Echo Eye, so use it to hack something and get us the hell out of this jam. Figure out how you can pay me back later. I've got your back.
Right.
Okay, mess this guy up.
Okay.
It's heavy, but it's...
Super awesome, super fast.
Where... This is a button.
Okay.
Keeper subsystem access, that's new.
Push this in. Push this in and nothing's happening. Something
Okay.
feels locked.
Horn.
Safety
Radio.
on this fuck. The safety? I don't even... Okay, we got power relay. Check.
Machen wir Horn.
Ammo.
Oh, wir können nicht mehr.
Check. Whoa! Did you do that?
And paranoia. It begins.
Oh, there we go. Wait. No. Those are no labels on it.
Machen wir das?
Cannot be the first person. Oh!
Surprise!
What the hell's going on? Oh, okay.
Wir können nochmal Radio nehmen.
Damn it. Make the, Whoa. Did you do that?
And paranoia.
Ah,
It
das kommt nochmal das
begins.
Gleiche. Ah.
Oh, there. Ah. There.
Shit, ich hätte es dritte noch sollen machen.
Okay, look. As much as I'd love to watch this idiot kill you 2 idiots, I can't let that happen. I'm inside of... I'm not inside you, but I'm like, look, if you go, I go. I've enhanced your Echo Eye, so use it to hack something and get us the hell out of this jam. Figure out how you
Okay.
can pay me back later. I've got your back.
Right.
Okay, mess this guy up.
Also, wir tun es das dritte Mal machen.
It's heavy, but it's a solid piece of metal. Where, this is a
Keeper subsystem
button
access, that's new.
Push this in. Push this in and nothing's happening.
Voice Activation machen wir.
Something feels locked.
No prisoners!
What's wrong with this thing? Safety on this fucking... Is it a safety? I don't even... Okay, we got power relay. Check. Ammo.
Machen wir das da. Hey, like.
How the hell? Ow!
Bam. Nice.
Burns, doesn't it?
What are you doing with your hands? I'm not doing that.
Oh, hello. This is an interesting little development.
Oh shit.
Fine, look, we gotta go. This is my head. Get out!
Oh, come on, don't be like that.
Oh shit.
Oh, you see what you did? You hit your face.
Moment, sie hätte doch einfach das Auto klauen.
Run! You're just making this funner for me. I'm gonna kill you!
Loaderbot! Yes! I knew Yvette wouldn't let us down!
Oh. Look who needs help again.
Oh, come on! Not now!
This isn't over! You hear me? You hear me? Hey!
So, should we be going to Hollow Point or straight to Old Haven? I mean, they know where we're going. Maybe we should just meet them there.
Well, I guess we could just meet him in Old Haven, get a head start, or we could always just go to Hollow Point, though that might be dangerous. Man, this is a big decision. It's weird, but I always, you know,
Also,
talk
ich würde echt
to
gerne zu
myself
Old Haven
during, you
gehen.
know, huge
Ich sehe, wie es aussieht.
choices. It's just something I do, and I know it's just, you know, super important. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to me right now. So, anywho, probably should just choose something. Well, that's probably enough out of me.
Wo gehen wir zuerst zu Old Haven?
Old Haven. They saw the map.
Wie man das
They know to
bekommt,
meet
ich
us
bin
there.
angeschrieben worden.
You
Für das
sure?
Liken.
We're the ones that had to escape certain death. They'll be fine.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's do that.
To Old Haven.
Money? Ja, Money wäre schon geil gewesen, aber ich vertraue dem nicht ganz, dass sie in dem Platz sind.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. It was just to keep Vasquez off of us. Like I said, I would never betray you, bro. Do you forgive me? Just say yes, because I feel like super bad right now, bro. It's good, bro. Really? Yeah, bro. Don't sweat it. We're good. Oh, bro, thanks, bro. No problem, bro. Thanks, bro. Hey, we're bros, bro.
What the fuck? Bro.
Evacuate. That's bro.
Bro for bro.
Bro.
Bro,
We don't talk like that. Are you done?
Unbelievable. I got one.
Oh man, ich habe gedacht, was geht ab? Sind die jetzt voll
We
durch?
should probably let him finish.
So anyway, we head over to Old Haven and
Oh, wait. You were talking about him? Or who were you talking about? I'm sorry. Please continue. Oh, last thing. One of you will have to change a tire.
Die beste Szene kommt noch bei Episode 5. Die weiss ich. Die freue ich mich am meisten.
You know, from up here, Pandora's kind of pretty, don't you think? I mean, you know, with the reflections on the water and everything. You can't even smell all the animal carcasses. Nice, huh?
Are you nuts? Everything down there wants to kill us.
Valid.
Not to be a downer, but I'm not seeing any Atlas facility. We're sure this is the right spot?
Alright guys, sure it's not a fancy resort town, but we're not here for a day at the spa. We're looking for a top secret military facility. Don't worry, we'll figure this out.
Setz einfach die
Pretty
Auge.
sure I can figure this out. Well,
Power
look
line.
at that. Looks like we're onto something. Hey guys, come check this out. It's like the whole grid leads right to here.
I mean, with all these power lines everywhere, they've got to be connected to something, right?
Ich kann es nicht scannen. Schauen wir das zuerst an.
The ground's different between here and here.
Ja, that's nichts. Gut, schon besser, wenn ich da raufkomme. Komme ich nicht rauf? Oh man. Dumme Socke.
Oh, for... Really? On my sock? No, it's all...
Also aktivieren.
Aha. Here we go.
Kabel zusammen machen. Ich habe eher das oben dran gedacht. Okay.
All right. Now we're on to something.
Okay. Was ist das? Da kann ich nichts machen. Ah doch. Ich tue es. Okay. Danke, Juna. Danke vielmals für Donation. Und schönen Abend. Go. Nicht so much go. Ah, da.
Maybe this?
Klingt nicht richtig.
Okay, let's see what that does.
Okay, was haben wir? Wir können es vielleicht bei jedem eins haben.
Rejection mode. Activated.
Ich muss noch zu ihm gehen. Das ist da in dem Fall. Ja, da. Okay.
Found another one. And nothing. Really? Huh. Maybe I fired something up wrong.
Ja, in dem Fall habe ich die falsch gemacht. In dem Fall muss ich dahinter stehen. Oh nein, nicht der. Oh Mann.
Maybe this?
Doch, das stimmt. Oder nicht? Nein, stimmt nicht.
Maybe I fired something up wrong.
Jupp. Auch in Hintersten. Jupp. Nice. Hey,
And
Flavio.
There.
Yeah, yeah.
Underground hidden doors! Ha! Atlas, man.
Come on. Let's check this out.
Well, well, well. Mr. $10 million.
Bam, bam, bam. Wir wären lieber zuerst an den anderen Ort gegangen. Hätten wir wenigstens Geld gehabt.
Are you done?
Sure, I mean...
Are you done?
No, because you see, then what we wanted to do, we just, yeah, done.
So anyway, while they were off blowing it, we ran into some complications of our own. I can't believe we made it. Do you think the guys will be okay?
I'm sure they'll figure something out, probably. But, the Badlands are practically a graveyard.
I hate to say it, but they're not gonna last the night.
Yeah, that's what I kind of thought.
Between the exposure, the skags, and the psychos, I'd say they're screwed.
They knew what they signed up for.
Oh shit, it's
With a caravan like this, we couldn't help them if we wanted to.
I hope he'll fix it. We're not exactly rolling in cash right now. How are you gonna get him to do it? I mean, I'm assuming it's not exactly a charity. And we definitely cannot get out of here if we don't get this fixed.
We'll just play it by ear. Duck and weave, go with the flow.
Uh-huh.
We'll figure it out, don't worry. Stay here. I'll do the talking.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
Go, go, go.
Ugh. Does every mechanic have to be gross? Scooter's a fan of the races. Good to know. That race was insane. Rest in peace, Basanova.
Okay, mit dem können wir sicher etwas anfangen. Dem Wissen.
Leaving money out like this. I almost feel sorry for the poor sap. Almost.
Alright, carries the 3 divided by 12. What the hell, man? I gotta cut down my wrench budget. Oh, hey, man, welcome to Scooter's Catch a Ride. What can we do for you today? Sorry if I seem a little distracted. Hopefully handing this place over to the new proprietor today, and I gotta get all these numbers and stuff in order. No, it's a lot. I don't know if you know this, but the transition from small business owner to franchise owner is surprisingly difficult.
Wow, this is a really nice looking place you have here, Scooter.
Oh, thanks, man. It means a lot. Business has been a little slow so far, you know, being in a hidden cave town and everything, but it'll pick up. Hope it picks up, though. Holy crap! I knew I recognized this rig from somewhere. You were in the latest Basanova Death Rally. Oh, I was there, man. Did you see me? I was waving. You were a badass.
Oh, yep, got me.
That thing's beat up to hell and back, man. I can fix it, but it's probably gonna run you about 2,500 cold.
2,500? That's a little out of my price range.
Not to be impolite or nothing, but you must have won a buttload of money from that race, right? Where'd it all go? Oh, 'cause my cousin, right? He said that his sister's friend's neighbor's husband won one of them races one time, and the cats kept them fed for weeks. Of course, those days they were mostly, you know, the money, but still, it was weeks.
Didn't anyone ever tell you it's inappropriate to ask somebody about their money?
I mean, I guess, except for usually when I'm doing business with someone, I like to ask about how said business is gonna get paid for. Well, tell me this. You think you could ever see yourself racing again? Let me pitch you something, and it might be crazy, but if you keep racing, I would love to endorse you as a sponsor. What do you say?
Nice, mach es.
It'll be great, maybe like a billboard, couple of commercials, product placement. You'd be huge.
Scooter, sir, you have yourself a deal.
Yeah? Oh man, this is awesome!
Oh,
you
shit.
will not regret this. No way, no how, man. Bet ass. Say it once for me, man, you know? The catchphrase? Catch a ride. You know it. Come on. Don't be shy. I'm your sponsor now. Gotta hear how you do
Sell
the
out.
catchphrase.
Catch a ride.
I'm thinking that we put a big old ad on your van, you know, like maybe a picture of me with like, catch a ride up above it, you know, all cool, right? I'm looking all badass, you know, put some badass pictures of you with your car and your hat and all that.
Hi, Scooter, right? Everything going okay?
I was just gonna, you know, go grab the paperwork. Let me take care of that. Okay, bye.
Ja, schon.
All right, man, here's my standard endorsement contract. Don't mind the sub-clauses about explosions or whatnot. I might have copied it from Torg. Anyway, I figure as long as I'm in there and you're doing it for free, maybe you want to splurge and get some of the special packages. I got some good ones.
Oh.
I know it's a big decision. You go ahead and take your time. A lot of good choices, I know. Real classy ones, too. Sometimes I just stand here and stare at them, you know? I know how it is. That one would look badass as hell, man. Take it from me. The badass from hell. Man, to be you right now, facing all the impossibilities, right for the taking. Can you taste the potential? It's kind of like cinnamon.
Self Expression minus 100. Ja, nehmen wir einfach 500.
That is some fine taste, man. Like a treat for yourself and for me getting to do it. Can't wait. Come on in, man. We'll get her all hooked up and get to work. Oh, crap. This doesn't look good. Hey, fellas, what can I do you for?
Oh no. I just hope that little deal you two struck is enough to get him to look the other way. Scooter won't turn us in. You don't know that. We don't even know what the reward is this time. You just gotta have some faith, Sasha.
Oh mein Gott. Aber er hat uns wirklich nicht verraten.
That'll teach him. Hope you ladies weren't too scared. Just doing my duty to keep ruffians the crap out of my garage. I'm a real protector type. Just all part of the service when you catch a Excuse me.
Thanks.
Hey man, it was no big deal. Proper man ain't gotta turn in two nice-seeming ladies. You might be murderers or some crap, but you ain't tried to murder me yet. But seriously, please don't try to murder me. Seems like there's some bad men looking for you two, though. You got a place to lay low while I'm getting your ride all fixed up?
No?
I say we hit the safe house. It'll have everything we need. Money, gear, new IDs.
I remember when Felix first showed us that place. Filthy rat hole.
Felix is gone, but that stuff should still all be there. And maybe we can get some answers. Yeah, I think we can figure something out. Thanks, Scoot.
Anytime. And I really mean that. I'm gonna go get started, okay?
Nice. Dann haben wir das geiles Auto.
I don't like this.
Was will sie nicht erkannt werden?
We shouldn't hang around here too long.
Looks like he had company while he was away.
Hopefully they didn't find the stash. Come on, look around. We gotta be in and out.
Yeah.
I got the door.
I had to force this on him once his eyesight was starting to go.
Yeah, stubborn as always. I couldn't even get him to stop using floppy disks. If it's all the same to you, I could do without Felix's classical music right now.
It's empty. That's strange. The can's wet, but I don't see any paint.
Weird.
Here we go. Felix sure was into science fiction.
Okay, schauen wir schon ein bisschen um. Ich sehe mir da noch etwas.
Felix's favorite chair.
Those few times he felt he could relax anyways. A comfort directly proportional to its wear.
Okay, so schätze wohl nicht mehr. Da gehen wir mal rein.
Always nice to see an old friend.
Beep.
Great, a flashlight. Maybe if we go camping.
It's a black light. It's the one Felix used to check our first counterfeit bills.
Oh, it looked familiar. It's hard to believe that asshole would be sentimental enough to keep this in his safe.
Not unless he meant for us to find it.
Grenade.
What's that? A grenade?
Yeah, looks like another one of Felix's homemade projects.
Well, let's take it.
Tja. Jetzt sehen wir da sicher etwas wegen dem Paint, der nicht rum ist. Wir müssen das anstellen. So. Kann ich nicht? Nein, kann ich nicht. Okay, so geht's.
Sasha, look at this.
What the hell?
It's ultraviolet paint. I guess he wanted to keep all this a secret.
Well, he left this for us to find, so there's something he wanted us to see.
Unter dem Teppich wahrscheinlich nicht.
Who is she?
I don't know. They look happy, though. There we go. He left something for us to find.
Just like him to make a children's game out of something like this.
He never could see us as adults.
Well, maybe that was the problem.
Okay, wir müssen anschalten. Ja. Funktioniert.
It's like he's taunting us.
Okay, es ist beim Stuhl. What?
Ah, I see it! Right there!
Awesome!
Da, 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 da. Da müssen wir verschieben.
Is this the right spot?
Yep, just gotta pry it open.
If you find another flashlight under there, I'm leaving. Guess that's what we're searching for, huh?
Guess so. Here we go.
Better double check the contents.
Money? Money.
Oh, hello, sexy. You're coming with me.
Nice. Okay. Granate nehmen wir auch noch. Dann haben wir schon 2.
What is it?
Nachricht.
It's an echocom.
Why is there?
If you're seeing this, I suppose I'm either dead or worse. My plan worked. I'm sorry. Fiona, Sasha, there's so much I want to tell you, but the less you know, the better.
Oh, give me a break.
Halfway through the con, I realized we were messing with Valerie's people. I knew that, and I never revealed it to you two. Well, if you're watching this, it won't be long before she's coming after you.
Change your names. Change your appearance. Change your life.
Valerie? Do you know that name?
And go. Forget about the life you had. And forget about me. But know that I love you both. With all my heart.
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for? You're not the one that left? The one that lied? I'm not gonna listen to another second of his bullshit! What was it you yelled at him?
Choke on it.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. Choke on the money, I guess. I was just pissed.
It was always about the money. The second a big score showed up, he betrayed us. We had it. We had it in our hands, Fiona. $10 million. Enough to get off this planet, enough to buy a new life.
Felix may be gone, but I'm still here for you.
I know.
First, we find that vault. After that, the rest will take care of itself.
Well, I hope you're right. You want a sandwich? Might be a while before we eat again.
Sure.
Es sollte eigentlich nicht so lange da sein. Oh,
Huh.
that's...
Wonder what's in this.
What is it?
It's some sort of an upgrade. Still only holds a single shot, but it looks like it adds an elemental effect to the bullet.
Oh, nice.
Looks like a backup plan. This one comes with another shot. Now I've got 2 bullets.
Espera.
He left you something too.
I don't want it.
Come on, don't be like that.
Don't tell me how to feel.
I'll just hold on to it for you, in case you change your mind.
I won't.
So stubborn. You really gonna turn down a dead man's final gift to you?
Cold-blooded.
Don't talk about his hair.
Right.
Nice.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Hands up, both of you. What you making?
Sandwich.
Nice hair.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means your hair is nice.
I will shoot you in the face right now if you talking shit.
Finch, calm down, man. Don't talk about his hair, all right? All right. He's good. You heard me going out. You see me looking at you.
Make him shoot through that nice floor. And for what?
For nothing. You two got every bounty hunter in Pandora looking for you, and you're making a sandwich? Tie her up. Let's get out of here. Ooh, she's fast.
Please, you embarrassing yourself. Go on.
Fiona, shoot him!
Do it.
You're pointing that at a dude who has people shoot him in the chest for fun.
I'm usually drunk and charge $40, but you can have this one for free. Go on. I won't even clinch.
Ups. Kann ich mich entscheiden? Oh man. Oh man, ich muss also irgendeinen nehmen.
You heard me going out. You see me looking at you.
Make him shoot through that nice floor. And for what?
For nothing. You two got every bounty hunter in Pandora looking for you, and you're making a sandwich? Tie her up. Let's get out of here. Ooh, she's fast.
Please. You embarrassing yourself. Go on.
Okay, Fiona, shoot him!
Do it.
You're pointing that at a dude who has people...
Okay, das hat gar nichts gemacht.
You alright, man?
Oh yeah, real good.
Look, you don't have to be a tough guy about it. It's cool. Hey, man. Hey!
Go!
Oh, I'm counting these bullets, and they coming in.
Was ist das denn? Oh, nice.
They're mine, Kroger. Take a walk.
I thought you retired.
You heard wrong.
Ja genau, viel habe ich genommen.
Fiona, over there! How do you like this? She's blocking all my shots!
Sasha, that's enough! Let's go!
Fiona, no, wait! This way!
Okay, come on.
Hey, wait up!
Ja, nehmen wir das dann.
My shiny crunch machine! My insurance premiums!
Sasha, look out! Let's go!
What now?
Don't worry.
We're gonna make you into some tasty pudding! Smash
Hey, let's go! Jump on!
Oh, yeah, that happened.
It's my story. Shut up.
Is she still back there?
I can't see her.
Are you sure? Maybe she's on the rooftops. She could be anywhere.
I can't.
Look out! Sasha!
This ends now!
Fiona, the grenades. The ones that Felix made. Use them. Now. What if there's no time? I'll distract her.
No!
Boah. Er ist hoffentlich fertig.
Is that our caravan?
The guy works fast.
Get away from there!
Shit! 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 Shitty! No! Stop! No! No! Don't open that! No! Hurry! Watch out!
You two in a hurry? You been snorting red rock? Why the heck are y'all running around rolling on the dirt for?
We gotta move.
What's the rush? Yeah, you guys are acting real weird.
Just get out of the way. We need to go.
There's a bounty out on us.
What? Are you sure?
Yes. Where are the keys?
Hurry!
All right. Don't have a heart attack.
She's right there.
Oh. Hey, hun. Wow, that is one slow door.
Also, ist sie gar nicht die Böse?
Scooter, this is my girlfriend, Athena.
Oh, I know, Athena. What's up, girl? Y'all kids like that a lot?
What the fuck? Die Frage.
You guys settle on anything?
She's a perfect gal for the job, for sure.
Don't play dumb. She was trying to kill us.
Yes, she was.
Excuse me? Wait. Are you saying Athena's the one that was chasing you? What? No, this is just a misunderstanding.
Ja,
Athena made a promise to me that she was done with all that, so she couldn't be doing what you say that she's doing. That's right. Our relationship is more important to me than some stupid job. That's what I'm saying. We have to lay low. There are people.
She chased us here. That's for sure.
Athena? Oh, that. No, I was actually just hurrying here to meet you. They must have thought I was chasing them because we were coming to the same place.
What?
Yeah, as I was running, I thought, they're taking every turn I'm taking.
What a coincidence.
I was just gonna say that.
What are we laughing at? Because it's weird? We're laughing because it's weird, right?
Well, I suppose we should get going.
So eine dumme
Stay
Idee.
safe out there. Pandora feels a lot smaller when you've got people looking for you.
You know, her shield's just sitting over there. I mean, if she's not a bounty hunter, what does she need it for?
I'm gonna mess with her a bit.
Athena! Can I keep this?
Is that your shield? Nope.
Oh, then I can have it? I mean, if it's not yours, I can have it, right?
It's not mine, so
We'll really remember that.
what do I care?
Be sure to stop up at any of my catch a rides if you need anything. I got them popping up all over Pandora.
Geil. So geil. Das hat sie so. Wir haben geile Shit.
Well, I'm guessing that's our Gortys building.
Yeah, I'm thinking that the signs would point to yes.
Whoa. This happened pretty recently. Within the last hour, I'd say. Think the guys did this? It'd be pretty impressive if they did. Oh, look at these scorch marks. Must have been grenades or some type of controlled explosion.
That loader bot of theirs might have hardware badass enough to do this.
Yeah, but why didn't they wait for us?
A fair question.
Okay.
Crimson Lance. These guys are serious badasses.
This is Athena's handiwork. Starting to think we might have just gotten lucky with her back there.
Do what we tell you to do, or you die. Simple as that.
Well, yeah, but it seems like you're gonna kill us anyway.
Shut up, smartass.
Oh, that's not good. What are we gonna do?
We're all gonna be nice and cooperative, aren't we? Not cause any problems, right?
Fiona?
We'll go in guns blazing. Lots of screaming and yelling. Maybe with the echoes in this place, they'll think...
Well, who do we have here? Reese and Vaughn's new little playmates, right? I think one of you owes me a
Die Statue habe ich auch gedacht.
Hey, August! Look who finally showed up for the party.
Vasquez?
Vaughn? Reese? Didn't think you'd given me the slip now, did you? You didn't think I'd have August handling all my dirty work, did you? There are some things a man just does himself.
Oh, for the love... Motorbot, attack!
I'm helping.
Come on, guys. You didn't think I'd come all the way down here before grabbing a universal remote, did you?
What?
The Gortys Project, the two halves of the core, everything leading to a vault. We got it all. Checkmate, amigos.
I am shame.
What'd you think, Reese? That you could pilfer something from my toy box, no strings attached? You never could follow through. That's your problem. And that's why I beat you every time.
Well, your payback's coming, asshole. I don't know how, I don't know when, but you're gonna make a mistake. And when you do, I'll be there.
Sure. I'll, bring flowers.
Yeah, you'll bring footwear. Flowers? What?
To your grave, because you'll be dead.
Oh, you guys not believe the dream I just had. Holy crap.
Wait. What the hell is this? Didn't I just do this with this guy? Kiddo, I admire your consistency, but, God. Oh, and who is this princess?
Wait, they...
Son of a...
Shock other people.
Oh, yes. I knew about that. Don't touch the cores, August.
Thanks for the heads up. Jackass.
They're gonna have to do it for us. You'll cooperate, right?
Hey, power
Because
skills.
I figure if you don't, well, I can think of all sorts of things to do to your little friends.
Yeah, like we're just gonna give this Gortys thing to two scumbags like you.
It's cute you think you have a choice.
Dat is een Arsch.
Two always,
Dan
two halves.
I'll take my soon-to-be-dead janitor here. You take Miss Fancy Hat down the other one.
Boys, you keep an eye on these two. Especially this one. Don't believe a thing she says.
Oh, how sweet.
Wie geht's gut übrigens, Pauskis, wie geht's dir?
Yeah, you sit tight.
Get your hands off me.
Either of those two move, you shoot them where they stand. Reese, I'll admit it, you and Vaughn have impressed me, and that sort of thing doesn't happen often. I'm surprised you've made it this far.
Hugo Vasquez. There's something I remember about this guy. What the hell is
Really?
it?
It's unbelievable. You must have had some sort of help. Couple of desk jockeys like you. I'd say it was 50-50 you'd survive the landing, much less get as far as you have.
My friends are out there. Okay, they're the reason. We actually make a good team.
Oh, that's sweet. And now you're all gonna die together.
I guess so.
Bummer. Just when you were making friends. I mean, you might think of me as a self-made man, and for the most part you'd be right. But there was this time when I looked up and admired one man in particular. The most impressive person
He's
I've
gonna
ever known.
say me.
Handsome Jack.
You idiots always say me. Still can't figure out who he is, though.
We had this special report. He would do this thing where he would punch me in the face whenever he'd see me. It didn't matter if he was busy. He always made time for me.
What? Very short.
No, still nothing. I punched my mom, for Christ's sake.
Just boom, right in the kisser. I was drinking from a mug when he got me one time. Chip to Molar.
Man, best I ever got was him spitting on me once. He was walking by and I was like, you know, just there getting spit on. I'm kind of jealous of the relationship you guys had.
It's only natural. Clearly he saw me as special. I miss our time together.
Ah, this drives me crazy. It's right there. It's on the tip of my
But through me, his legacy carries on.
Why are you doing this?
What do you mean?
What do you get out of it? I mean, is it about the money? Revenge?
This is all about damage control at this point. We cut my boss, Valerie, out of the first deal. Obviously, that was a bad idea for a lot of reasons. The fact that the vault key was bullshit being first and foremost. Well, Valerie found out about it, so now we've got to convince her that whatever comes out of this room is worth more than the $10 million deal we tried to slip under her nose. Then, hopefully, she doesn't kill us all. She ever talk about me?
What?
Sasha, did she ever talk about me? You guys are sisters. I figure you'd talk every now and again. Just curious if she ever mentioned me.
Nope, not once.
Huh. That's a little disappointing. Look, I just want you to know, as far as you and I are concerned, there's no hard feelings.
That is so generous of you. I'll think about that when you shoot me in the back.
Come on, don't be like that. You're the one that hustled me, remember?
And that, you see, is what I was trying to provide for you. Some guidance, some mentorship, a father figure. I was trying to help you. The janitor gig, it was to test your mettle, your resolve. And I gotta say, you reacted with some balls, kid. Some big old balls. You see, Reese, I started at the bottom, and I worked my way up. I used to be in the mailroom.
Whoa, wait a minute. Wallet head!
That's where Jack found me.
He used to be bald and he was going through these hair implants and I would stick money to his head. It was it was hilarious. But it was a long time ago. Ask him about it. He'll tell you. Ask him about it. Go on, seriously.
But that's a pretty big difference.
Listen, wallet head. Wallet head? Yeah, so I appreciate the advice. I do. But I'd much rather you take your 2 cents and shove them into your wallet that you have on the back of your head that you are ashamed of because you are a wallet head.
I was trying to be nice to you. Let's get this over.
So geil. Oh, ich liebe den Handsome Jack.
That's good.
I'm gonna take your corpse back up to Helios. I'm gonna make sure they save me some of your skin to make a wallet out of. Whenever I see it, I'll remember the look on your face at this moment.
Whoa. That's legitimately creepy.
I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to getting. No! Hey! Hey!
I just need some reassurances. That it was just about the money and nothing else. And relationships have to be built on trust. I don't know know if I can take Sasha back without it. How do you even start a conversation like that? At this point, I assume she's just embarrassed. I'm sure getting caught wasn't part of the plan.
August, you're pathetic.
So you're saying I shouldn't take her back? Hey, we all make mistakes. I've certainly made my fair share. Who am I to judge?
You're pathetic.
Yeah, I heard you the first time. Well, here we are. Go on. Stalling won't do you any good.
Come on, are you stuck? Whoa. Hey, what is... No. No, 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 no!
Whoa.
Easy, gut abzuneuen und viel Erfolg im Lernen.
Hey. You guys have a nice chat? I can't imagine he's too happy with you guys. At least that's the vibe I was getting.
I hate that son of a bitch.
I kind of picked up on that.
Gortys unit ready for assembly.
We got it! We got it!
Well, I guess that's our cue.
Push. Oh. Go, 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 go.
Keep pushing!
What exactly do you think I'm doing?
Oh mein Gott, Beam ist viel strenger.
Program complete. Reconfiguring probability matrix.
The hell is that?
That is a metal ball.
How's this gonna get us into a vault?
Maybe it's some sort of vault key.
Doesn't look like any vault key I've seen.
Oh please, the only vault key you've seen was the fake one you tried to sell me.
This is true.
That's gonna have Chris.
Okay! Just grab the thing and let's go. No, 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 what are you doing?
No! Oh my God.
Warning. Gortys device compromised.
Smooth one, idiot.
No, it's fine. It's fine. See?
Uh-oh. Didn't like that, Reese. Did not like that one bit.
No problem. Everything is okay.
Oh shit.
Hey! Trust me. Back off!
Whoa, 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 what's she doing? This isn't good, this is bad. Reese, you gotta let me into your subsystems, man. I can hack into these drones and I can almost guarantee no one dies. Unless you want them to. Probably. Just let me in. Vaughn!
It's under control, Reese. Trust me.
What? No, listen. We can take over the whole facility, kid. We've got this.
I'll do it! Back away!
Ich will sehen, was der Jack muss machen.
Okay, what? Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. Do whatever it is you have to do.
Oh shit.
How are you doing that?
I'm not. Really.
Hail to the king, baby!
Nice. So gut. Nein, ist schon fertig. Nur 21% haben ihn nicht verraten. Lustig. Hey, wir sehen die. Also hätten wir die zweite Episode auch schon durch. Die dritte denke ich nicht, dass wir sie heute machen. Einfach weil sie wahrscheinlich zu lang will gehen. Und ich würde sie gerne am Stück spielen und am Stück streamen. Die ganze Tour. Von dem her mache ich sie lieber ein anderes Mal. Also am Freitag, wo wir wieder Tales from Borderlands haben. 4 und 5 wird halt dann nach den 5 Wochen Irland sein. Also noch nicht so bald. Erst Ende Juli, Anfang August. Cliffhanger? Ja, schon. Aber das macht es aber spannend zum nächsten Mal weitergehen. Der wäre.